All right, Casey, so you made a special note. Where's that note? What does it say? Ah, I can't see that. It says to Santa Claus.
Four.
For Santa Claus. From the Merritts?
Yeah.
All right, and what do I see on the plate there? What did you leave for Santa? What is it? You can leave it right there. I can still see it.
I don't know, but I see if I have one.
Ginger snaps?
Yeah, can I?
With peanuts?
Yeah.
Well, I thought those were for Santa.
Yeah.
And I noticed there's a nice tall drink over there. What's in that drink for Santa?
Eggnog.
Eggnog. That's one of your favorite drinks, isn't it, this time of year?
No, not really.
No? What else do you have in your note? Do you have anything else in that note for Santa?
No, not really.
All right. Well, okay, well.
I know.
I bet he's going to appreciate it. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow.
I know.
All right, let's say goodbye.
I love you. Bye.